Hi friends, today we have to find out mean deviation about mean. Data are grouped and continuous frequency distribution. Okay, so marks obtained 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and on. Number of students denoted by Fi, frequency 2, 3, 8, 14 up to. Now how to solve this problem? So first we will get midpoint of each table, right? So midpoint 10, 20. So this will be 15, right? Xi. And here 20 to 30, 25 midpoint, then 35, then 45, and here 55, 65 and 75, right? Now Fi into Xi, this into this, right? So this will be 30, 2 into 15, 30, and 25 into 3, 75. Same way 280, this into this 630, this into this 440 and 195, this into this 150, right? Now frequency n is equal to 40, right? Or n is equal to summation of Fi, right, is equal to 40. Okay, and this summation of Fi into Xi, right, this is 1800, right? Summation of Fi into Xi is equal to 1800. Okay, now we will find mean X bar denoted by, right, is equal to 1 over n summation of Fi into Xi, right? Here I is equal to 1 to 7, right? Now 1 over 40 as n, this is 40, right, into 1800 Fi into Xi, 1800, right, is equal to 45, right? So mean X bar is equal to 45. Now we will go to get mean deviation. Next step, what we will take, right, here, mod of Xi minus X bar, that is mean. X bar is 45, right? X bar is 45, right? Now Xi, this, so 40 mod of 40 15 minus X bar 45 is equal to 30, and 25 minus 45 is equal to 20, and 30 mod of 35 minus 45 is equal to 10, right? Now 45 minus 45 mod of is equal to 0. This 55 minus 45 mod is equal to 10. Now 65 minus 45 is equal to 20. Then 75 minus 45 is equal to 30. Right? Now in next, fi into mod of xi minus x bar. Mod of xi minus x bar. Fi is 2. 2 into 30. Right? So 2 into 30 is 60. 3 into 20 is also 60. Then 8 into 10 is 80. Then 45 into 0, right? 45 into 0, 0. Then 55. I am sorry, 14 here. Sorry, 14, not 45. I am extremely sorry. Then 8. Into 10. 80. 3 into 20. 40. 2 into 30. 60. Okay. Now summation of this. Now we get summation of this, right? So this is 400, right? So summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar is equal to 400, right? So I is equal to 1 to 7 because there are 7 attached, right? Now we will find mean deviation about the mean deviation right is equal to 1 over n summation of fi into mod of x I minus x bar, right? So 1 over 40, n is 40 into this value is 400, right? So this answer, our answer will be 10. So mean deviation, right, is equal to 10. Okay friends, thank you.